northeastern Onslow County in eastern North Carolina, south central Craven County in eastern North Carolina, southeastern Jones County in eastern North Carolina, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northeast of Richlands, or 11 miles north of Half Moon, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Maysville, Pollocksville, and Trenton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail and or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service office in Newport at 1-800-889-6889. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Craven, Jones, and Onslow. The National Weather Service in Newport has